Properties of circle. In a circle, this is the center, which normally we use O. A complete circle, the length of complete circle is called the circumference. The length of the complete circle is called the circumference, which is 2 pi r. We know that from center to the circle, any side is called the radius. Is called the radius. The distance from the center of the circle to the circumference or to the circle is called the radius. If a line passes through the center and touch two ends of the circle, is called the diameter, which makes a semicircle. So this is a semicircle, and the line which makes semicircle is called the diameter. Diameter equal to radius. A line which touch two points of the circle but does not pass through the center is called the chord. 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 This chord divide the circle in two parts. The small shaded part is called the minor segment, and the major part is called the major segment. If a line from center to the circle means the two radius join the circle, they make a sector. So this shaded part is the minor sector, and this is called the major sector. So the difference between the segment and the sector is segment any part of the circle which touch two ends but not started from the center, but from the center to the circle, means the distance between the two radius is called from the center to the circle is called the sector. So this is the sector. The arc AB, the curved part on the circumference is called the arc. Here arc A B, which is called the minor arc. And if we say let's suppose this is A, B. This part, the upper part, is called the major arc. The major arc. Now we go for the properties of the circle. Angles in a semicircle is right angle. Angles in a semicircle is a right angle. Or the base line is called the diameter, or the line passed through the center and it makes angle on the circumference. It is a right angle. So is the right angle. So either anyway, so if this is the diameter and this line touch on the circumference, it makes right angle. Either this line or anywhere. Either if I draw the semicircle from here, so anywhere it makes a line. So line which passes through the center and it makes the angle on a circumference is called the semicircle, and angles on the circumference is right angle. Angle on the circumference is half of the angles in the center. So this angle is twice the angle which is on circumference. If this is x, it must be 2x. If this angle is 60, so this angle must be 30. So angles on the circumference is half of the angles in a center. Or the center angle is the twice the angles on a circumference. So this is property 1. This is property 2. Property number 3. Angles standing on the same arc are equal. If this is A, this is B. So A equal B. Because they stand on the same arc or the same segment. The angles standing on the same arc or the same segment, they are equal. If I need to find these two angles are equal what? Let's suppose this is C and this is D. If you observe, so these two angles stand on this point, means on this arc. So angle C equal angle D because they're standing on these 2 points. So these two angles standing on these 2 points, but these two angles standing on these 2 points. So angles standing on the same arc or the same segment, they are equal. Number 4. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles the opposite angles add up to 180. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180. So A plus B give you 180. So they are opposite. A opposite B. Number 5. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle in a cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle equal the opposite interior angle. If this is 70, it must be 70. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle equal the opposite of interior angle. So these are the properties of the circle which help you to find out some questions in book STP Mathematics 3A.